Hey everyone, if you're having trouble with the Xfinity Stream app not working, I've got some quick fixes to get you back to streaming in no time. First things first, make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Head over to your app store and check for updates. If you're already on the latest version, try restarting your device. Still no luck? Try logging out of the app and logging back in. This simple step often solves the issue. If the app is still not responding or crashing, a good next step is to clear your device's cache or force. Close the app, depending on what device you're using. For iPhone users, swipe up to close the app. And for Android, go to your recent apps and swipe it away. Another common issue is when the app says, "I'm not home," even when you are. This is usually caused by your device being connected to the wrong Wi-Fi network. Make sure your device is connected to your in-home Xfinity network and not a public or neighbor's Wi-Fi. Now, if you're trying to watch cloud-based DVR recordings and they won't play, make sure your recording is complete before trying to watch it on the go. If the recording is still in progress, you'll have to wait until it finishes. Also, if your downloads are taking forever or a corrupted download won't play, try deleting the download and starting over. Also, ensure your device stays connected to your in-home Wi-Fi while downloading. If you've tried all these steps and the app is still giving you trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Xfinity's support team for further assistance. And that's it. Quick fixes to get you back to enjoying your shows. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.